Asteroids, remnants of the solar system's formation, pose a potential threat to our planet. While most are harmless, some could be large enough to cause significant damage if they were to collide with Earth. To protect ourselves from this cosmic danger, scientists and engineers around the world are working on asteroid defense systems. One of the most significant advancements in this field is NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission. Launched in 2021, DART aimed to test a method of deflecting an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. The target was a small asteroid moonlet named Dimorphos. The mission was a success. DART's impact altered Dimorphos' orbit, demonstrating that it's possible to nudge an asteroid off course. This is a crucial step in developing effective asteroid defense strategies. Asteroid defense is a global challenge that requires international cooperation. Many countries and organizations are involved in asteroid detection, tracking, and potential mitigation efforts. These include NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office. This office is responsible for identifying and tracking potentially hazardous asteroids. The European Space Agency, ESA, is working on the HERO mission, which will follow up on DART to study the asteroid Dimorphos in more detail. The International Asteroid Warning Network. This network coordinates efforts to detect and track asteroids. While DART was a groundbreaking achievement, it's just the beginning. Scientists and engineers are exploring other potential methods of asteroid defense, such as using gravity tractors or nuclear explosives. As our understanding of asteroids and our ability to detect and track them improves, we can become better prepared to protect our planet from this cosmic threat.